Before you finish your checkout, I want to tell you what this box is right here and why you should buy this box. All right, so this box right here, if you click it, it's going to cost you an extra $97. And the main reason you should actually buy this box is because I've given you an account. This is called a CEO account in your Chrome extension, where you'll be able to actually create your different extensions and launch your different extensions. Now, I've given you 10 extra extensions in this offer, so you have a total of 11. You got your one inside this account, and you're just buying 10 more for $97. All right, so if you also take this thing right here for $97, I'm going to give you a different account type, and that different account type that I'm going to give you is this account type. It's our partner account type, and in this account type, you can create these other accounts. So you can create these other accounts, and you can issue them your 10 extensions. So you can create 10 additional accounts and issue each one of them one extension, and then the person that you give that extension to, they can log in just like as if they bought from me on AppSumo, and they can, build their extension and launch their extension. Or you can do 5 people 2, or you can do 1 person 10. It's completely up to you. But if you take this extra little box right here, then instead of putting your 10 extensions in your personal account, I'm going to put your 10 extensions inside a partner account that I actually set up for you, like this, where you can actually create the extension owner, and then you can provision them any number of those 10 additional extensions. So that's what you're going to get if you take this for $97. I'm going to put your extra 10 extensions that you're buying inside a partner portal so that you can issue accounts to whoever wants to have an extension, and they'll have their own login where they can go in and actually do everything inside the extension. You don't have to do it for them. And I'm also going to give you this other extension that I have on AppSumo. So I'm also going to give you this, all right? This is another deal that I have on AppSumo. You can see how many reviews it has. It's $199. If you want to go buy it on AppSumo, you can go buy it on AppSumo. It's Birthday Wisher. But I'm also going to give you this deal right here that's $199 that you could go buy on AppSumo. I'm going to give it to you as a bonus for free if you buy this thing for $97.